Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela and I make content on all different things including horticulture, hair bags, and my life. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. But today I am going to be doing a smidge of an experiment. If you guys know about this plant, then you know how much of a pain this plant has been for me. And the last two strands that are left, this plant literally hates me so much. I think this plant hates me as much as I dislike it. So now all I can just see for the future of this plant is to try to reroot it. I posted on my on the Hoya Facebook lover page, and I just asked some advice on basically what to do about this plant, because can you see, piece of shit. This is what this plant is looking like now, and I don't know, man. I'm gonna try to root one strand in Leca, and then I'm gonna try to root the other strand in some sphagnum moss. So come along with me on this journey and we'll see over time what this does. But today all I'm doing is going to be potting them, and it's also going to be a bit of a chit chat in regards to this whole plant community drama that has unfolded in the last like 2 days. Seriously, in the last 2 days there has just been plant drama gate. It's crazy. So if you're interested in seeing this free potting chit chattiness, then keep on watching. So welcome back. First off, before I even start, I know I'm the queen of being positivity, but this plant definitely feels how I feel about it. So I think it's purposely just trying to die, and I refuse to let you die. So that was just what I wanted to preface before I started this video. Let's get right into this video. I'm gonna just toss this dirt. I don't need it. And these roots are gonna be tossed too. I remember I posted on the Facebook page and they said I should cut a lot of these just bad plants right now. Can you see this? These leaves are not happy with me. I don't know what I did to this plant. I'm so sad about it. But I was told when I cut it, I should try and cut to see sap, to see if like some sap comes out of it. So maybe let me cut under this load. Yeah, under this one here. And this one doesn't look too horrible. So let me see. I'm gonna feel out the roots and just when you see like fibrousy roots like this, that's root rot. So I'm gonna cut this off, maybe right here. Gonna cut this right off also. So this one I think I'm gonna try to root in the Leca. So I have these clear disposable plastic cups. Toss these in the trash. So guys, plant community drama. I cannot believe that this community that I love so much is going through this nonsense. Like, what the actual F is happening? First thing I do want to say is we're all human, and at the end of the day, people are allowed to choose who they want to be friends with or they don't want to be friends with. The fact that we as grown-ass people, grown-ass adults, are going to just younger people's pages, and I don't even want to say the B word because I feel like that word is overused. I definitely think using the B word, I don't even want to say it, because where I grew up at, like, that's nonsense, and you gotta like fend for yourself, man. And we live in a society now where everyone is just so up in arms about everything. But in this case, geez, man, like, get your shit together. You know, I don't see what is really everyone's freaking problem, and why everyone just spends so much of their lives just trying to bring others down. Especially if something had nothing to do with you, why are you going out of your way to pick on someone? I cannot believe this plant community is turning into hashtag the beauty community, because we definitely are not that vain. But we don't know each other. A lot of us don't know each other. Most of us don't know each other. Most of you guys watching me don't know me. You probably have never seen me a day in my life, and you probably will never see me face to face. But that's okay. That doesn't give anyone the right to try to go out of their way to hurt someone or bring them down. What is that gonna do for you? You know, these are grown-ass women who are making good money, and you're just here acting like a freaking dick for no reason. I think I'm gonna have to make more Leca. I think I'm gonna need a smaller cup for this, so I will be right back. Alright, so I'm back. Got more Leca. So pretty much what I want to just say about this is, people, you gotta like stand up for yourself. We live in a world where you're gonna have assholes who don't know you, don't know anything about you. They think they know so much about you. They don't know shit. Listen, fend for yourself, because we live in a dog eat dog world. I live in freaking Brooklyn, New York, alright? and if I tell you exactly where, then you'll understand why I'm telling you it's a dog eat dog world. People, like, I've seen people get their faces stomped in, okay? I went to junior high school where these things were like gang initiations, and what, 12, 13-year-old kids trying to get into gangs, they're like get jumped by multiple guys in Timberlands in high school, walking down the street. Like, people, we live in such a like a just a sensitive world, and you try to come for me, fuck you. I'm gonna handle mine. Ain't no stranger with Twitter thumbs, YouTube fingers, keyboard thugs. None of y'all gonna try to like, who the fuck do these people think they are? And again, I'm sorry for both parties for, you know, whatever is happening to them, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So again, like I said, in regards to the plant community drama, it sucks. It really does suck, but just be kind to each other. There's wild bushfires happening in Australia. There's the rainforest in Brazil just burned down. Trump just killed one of the Iranian like military leaders. World War III is bound to happen, guys. Why is this? Like, we come to this community, we come to these channels for happiness. Now these same channels are like causing people sadness, and this is not what planting is about. Planting is about just happiness all around and just love, and none of this is just happening. I need people to get them shit together. Like, get your shit together. Seriously, guys, like, seriously get it together, because this world is, tomorrow's not promised. Seriously, tomorrow is not promised. So yeah, guys, I'm pretty much done. I know this is not a long video. Hopefully it's not a long video. I just hope these will root. I will keep you guys updated with what happens with these plants. I hope one of these takes root, and if not, then I tried my best. I tried my best. I tried my best. I tried my best. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. Join this little cookie family, because we're awesome here. There's so much happening out there, y'all. Enjoy these plant videos. Indulge in what makes you happy. We shouldn't have to worry about opening a computer and seeing our names bashed, you know, whether it's in defense or like you're on the offense side. Guys, just live a happy life. Just try to live your life the best that you can. If you and someone don't get along, then so be it. You don't get along. We live in a world with billions of people. Why does one friendship that's irrelevant have to like affect you so much, guys, you know? And why does someone else's friendship that doesn't affect you have to affect you so much, you know? Like Jay-Z said, what I eat don't make you shit, okay? So mind your own business, mind your own life. People are too busy minding other people's businesses instead of their own. That's why people are so miserable. That's why. Mind your own goddamn business, seriously, and just freaking plant your plants and enjoy your plants and watch them grow. Jeez, man. So I will see you guys on the next one. Let's get growing. Bye.